In this video, we will see a project that is a masterful blend of timeless elegance, southern charm, and thoughtfully curated interiors that radiate warmth and sophistication. Each space within the home tells a story of heritage, comfort, and bespoke design, where classic elements are reimagined with a fresh, modern twist. This home's classic facade is framed by a lush green landscape that perfectly complements the soft minty tones of the shutters and the crisp white brickwork. Traditional symmetry defines the architecture, with neatly manicured shrubs and a welcoming front porch that exudes timeless southern hospitality. The lattice detailing on the porch columns adds a touch of vintage elegance, while the gentle arch above the central window introduces a sense of grandeur. This entrance showcases a timeless blend of traditional and elegance. The brick steps lead to a welcoming porch, framed by white columns adorned with decorative latticework, creating a balance of sophistication and warmth. At the center, the dark green door, flanked by sidelights and crowned with a semicircular transom window, stands as a captivating focal point, inviting guests into the home with its classic and refined appeal. This entryway boasts a bold teal door framed by intricate geometric paneling, complemented by stained glass windows that cast colorful light. A red lantern chandelier adds a warm contrast, blending calm hues with striking accents. A beautifully curated cabinet of fine china and collectibles anchors the room, showcasing the homeowner's love for tradition and refinement. The rich, dark wood contrasts elegantly with pastel wall panels, while gold sconces on either side lend a regal touch. Framed photos and delicate accents add nostalgia and personal history, creating a space that feels both formal and intimate. The lattice-backed chairs with upholstered seats echo the room's overall elegance. This room blends classic architecture with contemporary flair. The blue-green fireplace, framed by detailed paneling, anchors the space with warmth. Above it, a vibrant abstract painting adds dynamic contrast. Soft damask armchairs, a patterned ottoman, and accessories like orchids and vintage statuettes bring charm and personality. This room showcases a vibrant mix of textures and patterns. A deep emerald velvet sofa with bold pillows exudes luxury, complemented by an Acad-upholstered chair, a gold-framed glass coffee table, and artfully displayed plates and bases. The arrangement creates a lively, intimate space celebrating heritage and artistry. On the other side of the room, it was greeted by soft lighting and a calming color palette. A deep emerald sofa with gold cushions invited relaxation, while a sleek glass table reflected the ambient glow. Facing through the dividing door, there are several chairs arranged in a brightly colored mini kitchen and dining space with an elegant traditional feel. This kitchen radiates elegance and warmth with pastel tones, vintage blue ceiling tiles, and gold accents. A white island with blue chairs offers style and comfort, while a floral Roman shade adds charm. Natural light highlights the farmhouse sink, brass faucet, and clean cabinetry, creating a functional yet inviting space. This kitchen captures a timeless charm with a vintage-style white range, gold knobs, and a classic subway tile backsplash. A soft blue ceiling adds sophistication, complemented by sleek cabinetry with gold accents. A cozy rug and decor, like fresh lemons and flowers, bring warmth, creating a refined yet inviting space. This dining room feels like a blend of elegance and warmth. Rich green drapery with red trim complements floral wallpaper, creating a vibrant backdrop. A fern-draped round table with classic wooden chairs anchors the space, while a vintage crystal chandelier adds sophistication. A floral centerpiece and framed portraits bring color and a personal, welcoming touch. This elegant butler's pantry boasts green cabinetry with gold hardware, adding luxury. Glass panel doors display crystalware, while a white countertop offers a clean contrast. A mirrored backsplash reflects light, and accents like a champagne bucket, tulips, and citrus create a polished, welcoming atmosphere for entertaining. Stepping into the inviting living room, we are greeted by traditional elegance and vibrant charm. The soft blue sofa with patterned pillows pairs with eclectic plaid and leopard prints. Comfortable armchairs surround a green leather ottoman, while floral curtains frame large windows, letting in natural light. Red ceramic lamps, a vintage rug, and curated decor create a warm, welcoming atmosphere that instantly makes me feel at home. On other corner of this cozy living room, traditional space combines rich textures, curated decor, and personal touches. A red-backed bookshelf with books, ceramics, and photos pairs elegantly with a vintage grandfather clock and vibrant floral accents, creating a warm and inviting ambience. This powder room showcases Pierre Fry wallpaper, its bold patterns complementing an antique sink that adds character and charm. This thoughtful combination of elements demonstrates a keen eye for detail and a passion for blending the old with the new. This interior design features a classic and elegant bedroom with soft blue and white tones, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. The wallpaper has a geometric pattern that complements the floral motifs on the curtains and upholstered chair, adding layers of visual interest. The bed is adorned with crisp white bedding accented by decorative pillows in varying textures and patterns. The bedside tables are covered with tailored fabric skirting, paired with sophisticated ceramic table lamps. The overall design emphasizes symmetry and refinement, perfect for a guest room that radiates both comfort and timeless charm. This bathroom design exudes elegance and sophistication with its soft pastel blue cabinetry and clean white countertops. The vanity features a charming built-in dressing table with a vintage wooden mirror and a classic black chair for a timeless touch. Wall-mounted sconces with white shades and a large window allow natural light to enhance the space, while sheer floral curtains add privacy and softness. Polished silver hardware, fresh flowers, and neatly folded towels complete the luxurious and inviting ambience, perfect for a guest's comfort. On the next bedroom, that is a calming retreat with a soothing palette of lavender, gray, and white. Chevron and geometric patterns add subtle interest, while a sunburst mirror above the bed creates a striking focal point. The drapery with embroidered trim filters light, enhancing the soft, inviting atmosphere, perfect for relaxation and understated luxury. This bathroom exudes classic charm, featuring a cream vanity with polished chrome fixtures and wall-mounted sconces with white shades. The intricate mirror frame and vertical pattern wallpaper enhance the traditional feel, while fresh flowers and a Greek key-trimmed curtain add welcoming details. The space combines style and functionality seamlessly. This house is also equipped with a sunroom that offers a cozy, refreshing vibe with white wicker furniture and green, botanical pattern cushions. Fern-themed curtains and Roman shades complement the glossy green tiles, while vintage light fixtures and decorative plates add classic charm. Lush plants and delicate decor create an inviting atmosphere, ideal for relaxation or conversation. The inviting back entrance blends classic and modern design, with white French doors featuring geometric glass panels and clean white paneling. Symmetrical topiary plants add greenery, while black lantern sconces provide a warm glow. Brick and slate flooring enhance the rustic charm, creating a stylish and welcoming entrance for guests. This charming entryway features a white brick gate with geometric wooden doors, framed by lush greenery and trimmed bushes. Decorative urns atop brick columns add timeless appeal, while a stone path invites guests to explore beyond.